This video is on dividing fractions. Our can statement is I can divide fractions. Simple I can statement. I can divide fractions. Now our first problem that we're going to work is 1/2 divided by 1/4. And since fractions is a review, y'all are used to keep, change, flip. So if we keep the 1/2, change the division to multiplication, and then take the reciprocal of 1/4, which is 4/1. Reciprocal is a vocabulary term. And with multiplying fractions, we just multiply straight across. So 1 times 4 is 4, 2 times 1 is 2, and that simplifies to 2. I'm going to model this one as well. We've got 1/2 divided by 1/4. Right, I'm going to model the first fraction of 1/2. And I'm going to do this. So I modeled the fraction of 1/2. So I'm going to model that. And I'm also going to put the 1/4 inside of this, like that. So I've got the 1/2 modeled this way, right to left or horizontal, and the 1/4 modeled vertically. So when you look at that as far as a numerator standpoint, how many boxes out of that 8 are colored in? And that's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to draw this same box with the 1/2, and then I'm going to do the 1/4, and then color in 1/4 of it. Remember how we went on the other modeling, we did that. So how many are colored here? Which would be 2, because this is the 1/2 going this way. The 1/4 is going up and down this way, so we colored 2. So 4 divided by 2, this is the denominator. And that equals 2. If you use modeling, I'll be glad to help you, okay? All right, let's look at our second problem. Yeah. Somewhat better. 2/3 divided by 4/5. Keep, change, and the flip. I'm going to keep 2/3, change the division to multiplication, and take the reciprocal of 4/5. And what the reciprocal means is just turn it upside down, and you have 5/4. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 4 is 12. That is not in simplest form, but I know that 2 goes into both of those, and that gives me 10 divided by 2 is 5, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. So my answer is 5/6. All right, my next problem, 1/3 divided by 1/8. Keep, change, flip. 1/3, change the division to multiplication, take the reciprocal of 1/8, which is 8/1, and 1 times 8 is 8, and 3 times 1 is 3. That is an improper fraction. How many 3s are in 8? That would be 2. 3 times 2 is 6, with 2 left over with a denominator of 3. All right, I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to give you 2 more problems to work, and you see if you guys could get those, okay? Our first one is 4/5 divided by 2/3. And our last one is 7/12 divided by 3/4. I'll come back, give you a few minutes, and then come back and we'll work on them. All right, let's look at this one right here. 4/5 divided by 2/3. I'm going to keep changing. If you have to do that, that's fine. 4/5. Change the division to multiplication and take the reciprocal of 2/3, which is 3/2. Multiplying fractions, you just go straight across. So 4 times 3 is 12. 5 times 2 is 10. That is an improper fraction. How many tens are in 12? That is 1, with 2 left over, with the 10 as the denominator. But 2/10 can be simplified because 2 goes into both of them. So we've got 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So 1 1/5. And the last one, keep, change, flip. We've got 7/12. Change the division to multiplication. Take the reciprocal of 3/4, which is 4/3. Now I'm going to cross cancel here. You can cross cancel if you want to, but if you don't, you just multiply straight across and simplify. But I know that 4 goes into 4 and 12. So 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. 7 times 1 is 7, and 3 times 3 is 9. That is in simplest form. Any questions, do not hesitate to ask.